So let's see how hard it is to create a development environment in Upsun. As you can look, I'm in the terminal right here. I'm just going to type in a quick code, Upsun, environment, I think I spelled it right, branch, and then let's call it dev1. Send that off into the world. It's going to ask, this will be copied from staging, which I'm currently in. Say yes. It's going to provision resources, and then it's going to start going through the build process. And while it's typing, I type that out, it's simply following the infrastructure as code commands that are in the config YAML file, and it is making now a bit-for-bit clone of my staging environment. That is including all the code, all the caches, and all the database. That is all available there, and any kind of files that might go along with it. And it's creating all that for me in it. And if you look down at the other side of this, you can see that it's being built in the console side. And if we wanted to, we could even hop in here from a console point of view and take a quick look and see the logs that are happening here in case you're not in the terminal at the moment. So we're at a 53, 55 seconds. I was hoping this would be under a minute. Get a little sip of coffee here. And there we go. In just about 2 minutes, we now have a development environment. If I switch over here and refresh this page, you're now going to see that there is the dev1 branch. It's green and active. And if we click this little link right here, we can easily pop up and see there's our dashboard, which matches exactly the same as the production environment and the staging environment from which it came from. Actually, let me show you the staging environment too, just so that way we all know we're on the same page here. And I'm up and ready to go. And any changes I make here and push into that development environment will then go active inside of that branch, completely separated from everything else.